Let's look at how HelloSend automatically sends an SMS whenever a lead's lead source changes inside Zoho CRM. The workflow begins when the lead source field changes. For example, when a lead moves to online store. As soon as this change happens, HelloSend triggers an instant SMS to the customer that's already configured in the automation. All outgoing messages are automatically logged inside the HelloSend History module, giving you a complete timeline of communication. The SMS sent from HelloSend also appears inside the corresponding Zoho CRM record, ensuring every interaction is linked to the right lead. Any SMS sent directly from your RingCentral app is also logged in the corresponding Zoho CRM record, keeping your conversations perfectly synced across both platforms. Complete chat history can be viewed inside the exact Zoho CRM record, as well as within the HelloSend inbox. You can view message details, timestamps, and replies without ever leaving your CRM. And that's how HelloSend helps you automate follow-ups, track conversations, and unify your SMS, WhatsApp, and call communications, all in one place. Thanks for using HelloSend.